好，OK，Hello everyone，你好。I'm Priscilla. You can call me Priscilla, and you can also call me 老师. 老师 means teacher in Chinese. Okay, do you know anything about China or Chinese? Yes, I know someone. Okay, Mary? Yes? Mary,
Yes.
yeah, you can speak some Chinese, right?
Yes.
Like 你好,
你好。
你好. Anything else?
你好吗？
Oh, good. 对, that's right. 你好吗? 你好. 好, and 你好 means hello in Chinese. 你好.
嗯
And now imagine that you just arrived in China. Okay, you meet your Chinese teacher, your roommate, and okay, what first Chinese sentences you need to?
嗯
Okay, and then you can also type in the chat, everyone. So what do you want to do, or what do you want to say in Chinese? And you can also type in the chat. Like, yeah, how to introduce yourself, right?
I will introduce myself.
Yeah.
大家好，我是魅力，我是亚美尼亚人。我是8岁。
Wow. You can say a lot in Chinese.
Thank you.
Yeah, 很好. Good. Okay. So we want to introduce ourselves first, right? Okay. Anything else? Everybody? Oh, yeah. Okay. To introduce ourselves. And we need to ask others' names, right? Okay. What's your name? How are you? What's your nationality? Okay, so that's what we are going to learn today. But before that, I'm going to introduce the lesson for today. Okay, there are two parts. The first one is pinyin, and the second one is how to say sentences in Chinese. But what is pinyin? Look, this one. There are two parts of Chinese. Okay, look. The first one, this one, like syllables, like English syllables. Okay, we call it pinyin. So we use pinyin to type Chinese characters. And for beginners, we cannot read any Chinese character here, right? We cannot, so we need to read pinyin for the beginners. Now, this one is 你好. Now try to read after me. 你好.
你好。
你好, yeah. 你 means you, and 好 means good, well. So 你好, you are good. That's a greeting in Chinese. And this one is pinyin, 你好. And how to type Chinese character by pinyin? Okay, let me show you. Now, the pinyin 你. Okay, this is the pinyin of 你. Now we need to choose a character for you. So the first one is 你, and the second one 好. This is the pinyin of 好, and this character is good. 好. So that's we type. That's how do we type Chinese characters. Okay. Now let's go to pinyin. How to read it? Let's try to read. Let's start from the second one. Okay, try to read it. That's the Chinese pinyin. How to read the second one?
爸爸。
Consider it as a English. 爸爸, yeah.
爸爸。
Yes, 爸爸. Good, 很好. This one is 爸爸. And who is 爸爸? Guess who is 爸爸?
Father. Father.
Yes, father. Good, 很好. 爸爸 means father. Okay, this one is 爸爸. Now let's try to read the third one. Just try it. It's okay. Good, 很好. 可乐. Yeah, 可乐 is a drink. So could you guess what is 可乐？
够了
cola
Yeah, 对，good，
，OK，
很好。Yeah, this one's 可乐，cola. Okay, and next one, the longest one. Try it.
面条
The kind of food. 面条，cool，很好。面条，面条 means noodles. 面条. So that's pinyin, not so hard. But now look these syllables, look this pinyin. Could you find anything different from English?